Good afternoon, students. Hope you are all fine. Hope your parents are also fine. Now, we had already seen it. This is going to be revised because many of you had told me to revise from indirect to direct speech. This is also one of the important things that we are going to deal there. In case you are not able to understand, kindly ask me. I've asked many students through self that they had asked me to repeat and revise the indirect speech to direct speech. Okay, let's see. Kindly listen the class carefully. Okay, now speaker is Maharaj. Straight away I'm going. Affirmative. There are four types. One is affirmative, interrogative, imperative, and explanatory. Exclamatory. So four types that we are going to deal. Again, I'll repeat. Maharaj is a speaker. Raji is a listener. Let's say he. Raji, she. Now, let's keep in our mind. Start. Maharaj said to Raji, comma, upper quotation. He refers to Maharaj. See, this is the inversion of direct speech. We should assume that in direct speech, how they would have talked. Maharaj told Raji that he had bought book for her. So when he straight away told what he would have told, I, he will become I. So I. Had bought is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense should be changed into present perfect tense. What is the rule for present perfect tense? Have. Suppose if there is he, she, it, instead of I, he, she, it, here what will have to come? Has. Okay. Have bought book for her Raji. When Maharaj is telling to Raji, straight away what he will tell? You. So, her will become you. Upper quotation and then here it is closer quotation. What doubt you have? Most of you may have doubt. Some of you may not have the doubt. In case if you are asking me, I'll tell you in Tamil itself, in through self. Okay. Affirmative is an ordinary type. Conjunction is that. That is removed. Apply comma and upper quotation. Here, whatever may be the subject, it should appear in capital letter. The first letter of the word has to appear in capital letter. Regarding the tense changes, when it is present, when we are changing from direct to indirect, simple present will become simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. The same inverse. Say for an example, when it is simple past in indirect, it will become simple present. Likewise, past continuous, present continuous. So future, when past continuous, present continuous. Likewise, past perfect, present perfect. Past perfect continuous, again, present perfect continuous. This is the case that we are changing here. Now, book for you, object her. When we say Maharaj is saying to Raji, when it was written in indirect speech, when Maharaj was directly saying to Raji, it will become you. Her will become you. Okay. This regarding affirmative. Shall we get into second one? Please listen carefully. This is the interrogative type. We have got two types. One is WH type question words type. Another is yes or no questions. That is verbal question types. Now, the teacher is asking the student, had asked the student, why did not do, why he did not do his homework that day. Let's assume how would the teacher would have asked the student. Now, listen carefully. The teacher, the teacher asked will become said do. Okay, said do the student, comma, open quotation. This Y, WH, W will remain in caps. Y, see, he did not do. Get into question type or change into question type. What will we have to do? Bring the verb first, and next you bring subject. Say for an example, here it can be meant as an object. Okay, why he had not do, why he did not do. So did first will come. Did not is okay. Again he do. Never will come he do. For an example, I am writing here. Okay. What will happen? The he will be changed how? When teacher is asking the student straight away, he will become you. So, why did? Did is the past form. What it will have to become to change into direct speech? Do. Okay? Why do not will not be changed. Why do not you, okay, you do his, whom it refers, the student. So students is he, his, okay. When the teacher is talking to the student straight away, his will become your. So why do not you do? Why do not you do your home work that day will become today. So today, question mark, closer quotation. Again, I repeat, question mark, closer quotation. Okay? This is regarding, see, what else we have seen? It's very easy to change from here. The teacher can be changed to said to the student. Here you will have to apply comma, there open quotation. W should become the first letter of the word. It's a question word, whatever it may be, whichever it may be. First letter of the word should appear in capital letter. Here it is the question type. So you have to create a question. Now, how to create a question? Bring the verb first. Take the object or the subject. In this place it is subject, okay? So take the subject inside. So he did not do, did not he do will become question word or question type of sentence. Okay, that's right. So do, why we have already applied. Why do must come first. Why we are doing, we are writing here do. Did is the past form. Do is the present form. When it appears in direct speech, it is do. When it is appearing in indirect speech, did. Did past tense will become present tense. So why do not is the same. It is in the negative form. Not the same. So we are writing not there. Again, that he refers to whom? Here, the student. Maybe either male or female, whatever it may be, we are going to say you. So you. Why do not you do? His, that student. Here it's clearly mentioned his. Here it's mentioned he. So it must be, he must be only male. So whomever it may be, that his will be transferred into your possessive pronoun. So your. Home will not be changed. Homework will not be changed. That day will be changed as a today question mark and then closer quotation. Clear? Thank you. Yeah, please listen carefully. This is a verbal type of question type. Listen. How can we find when there is a placement of if or whether? Whenever there is if or whether, you can easily find out it is a type of verbal question type. Okay? Please, I remind you again and again, when you find the if or whether, this is, see, either this word or this word you find, you can make it confirmed that it is a type of verbal type of question. Clear? Okay. Now listen me carefully. Nothing else. Very easier one. Money. Okay. Speaker. Asked. Said to. Kavya. Okay. Remove if. Remove if. Don't write. Don't add if there. What will happen? Here it is ordinary type. What we will have to make? We will have to create interrogative kind of question type there. Okay. She had found. Bring the subject here. Okay. Had she found? Okay. This is the question. Had she found? Now, listen me carefully. Had she found? What is this past? What will have to become? It has to become present. So it is have. Okay. Suppose if you are putting down the she here, it will not come as a has. Okay. It has to come as has. But she refers to whom? Kavya. So straight away when Mani is talking to Kavya, she will become what? You. So automatically has will not be used for you. Automatically have. So have. Clear? Please listen me again. I repeat. Okay, you don't need to worry about these things. Remove all alone. She is there. It refers to whom? Kavya. What she will become? Straight away you. So had found is okay. We are right. We have just separated these verbs and put the subject here. It automatically becomes question type. Okay. Likewise, forget about this. Doesn't matter. Had will become what? Have. She is subject. She is the subject. Who is that? She refers to Kavya. When Mani is talking to Kavya straight, he will ask how you. So have you found? Okay, this is for your understanding I told. This is for understanding I told. Okay? Now, have you found? What is his? What is his? His refers to pen. His refers to money. Money is what? He. You know. So his. When he straight away is asking to Kavya, what will happen? What will he ask? His will become my. My. His will become straight away. When he is asking straight away, what will become? His will become my. My pen. Okay. There. There will become what? Here. That. In direct speech, when it is here, in indirect speech, that. Here, that. Likewise, In case sometimes say, for example, this play in this place, that, it will be changed as here, this. Okay, again I repeat. Mani said to Kavya, comma, over quotation, where? Have you. Here I repeat to write here. Again, have you. Have you found my pen here? What is that? Question mark. Again, close the quotation. Clear? May I repeat you again? Once again, I repeat for all of our understanding. Money, okay. Said okay. So ask this, you said okay. Kavya, okay. Remove if for whether. This is a joiner for verbal type of question. What we will have to make? Start question. When it is a question type, we are removing if and whether. Okay? Clear? This is ordinary type of sentence. Change into question type. Bring had first. And then bring subject here. Had she found. So that is it. Had she found. So add. Had is past. It will have to become as present to have. She refers to Kavya. When Mani is talking to Kavya, straight away he will be saying you. So that is the you here. Found. He refers to Mani. When Mani is asking to Kavya straight away, what he will ask? My pen. Have you found my pen here? See, there will become here. Okay, is there any doubt? I believe you will have no doubt. I think you are very clear. Okay, thank you. Now, listen me carefully. This is imperative. For imperative, let's make clear, conjunction is totally either to or not to. Not to. When there is not to, what will happen? It will come as a negative type of sentence. You can create negative type of sentence with the help of verb. Now let's see. The manager, straight away, the manager ordered, said to whom? The clerk. Okay, not to. Say here, this is a joiner in imperative to change from direct to indirect. Okay, now from indirect to direct we are changing now. Okay, remove not to. Put a comma. Apply over quotation. Okay, now remove not to. When you remove not to, what will come? Straight away the verb will come. Tell. See, no, it is not to there, no. Straight away when it is true, you can straight away write tell. When it is not to, what will become? Don't. Not will have the place of don't. Don't tell lie. Okay? I repeat again. The manager ordered. Suppose in case of here it is requested, no? Clerk requested the manager. What will come here inside? You will have to write please. In inverted comma, in reporting speech, you have to write as a please. Okay? Likewise. Okay, now straight away come to the problem. The manager said to the clerk, not to, this not will be placed as a don't. So don't tell lie. In case if it is to, you will have to write merely tell lie. If in case it is only to, then tell lie. Okay? When it is not to say, not to tell lie, don't tell lie. Okay, thank you. Now, this is an exclamatory. It's wonderful or astonishment, surprising. that we believe now. That type of sentence it is. How it can be changed? Kindly listen. Saran exclaimed Karan that how he was very smart. Maybe lie or not lie, it's not our matter. Now, how to change is the matter. Now, Saran said to Karan that will be removed. Is the conjunction for exclamatory type of sentence also. That is the conjunction. So let's remove that. So in the place of conjunction, let us apply comma, open quotation. See, very will take the place of how in direct speech. So how. Okay, let's first bring that. How smart, how smart he. Saran exclaimed Karan. That he refers to Karan. So when Saran is talking to Karan, he will become you. How smart, okay, you. Here it is was. Was will become is. For you, is cannot be applied. So here instead of you be verbs, for you are. For you, it is are. Okay? So, how smart you are. Apply exclamatory mark and apply closer quotation. I repeat again. It's very simple matter. You can easily understand. I repeat again. Saran exclaimed thought wonderfully or surprised. Okay? Wondered. So Charan exclaimed will be changed into said to. Karan will be the same. Start with this is the place of conjunction. So that conjunction has to be removed. Start comma and open quotation. You bring very first one. So that it is very easy. This is the way of applying sentences in reporting speech. Okay, kindly listen. How smart he refers to Karan, whomever it may be. But when Saran is straight away telling to Karan, that will become you. Okay, he will become you. Here it is was. Was is the past. What it has to be changed into present. It has to come as is. You will not have is. But for you, when there is is, be verb, or is applicable for you. Exclamatory mark because it is exclamatory type of sentence. So we apply exclamatory mark and closer quotation. That's all. Again, if you have got any doubt, you can totally ask me. Now, kindly go through many exercises are there in guide. I will give you footnotes and I will send you the pages of guide. See, I don't know how many of you are watching. I believe you please watch. It's very useful for your knowledge as well as from the point of public questions attending. Yeah, kindly watch. And I have been repeatedly saying you that you all must have to obey your parent. As I am also parent to my children and I am a parent to you as a second parent, kindly obey your parent. Kindly please your parents. Please, that's meaning of satisfy or fulfill the requirement of your parents and ask God how to please my parent. He will definitely guide you. You have got plenty of time to study. Please kindly use at least the most of the time in studies. Okay. Don't get bored. Kindly watch the video carefully and try to understand. If it is not understandable to you, kindly ask me through self. I'll be helpful to explain to you. Don't worry. Keep on doing well. Wish you all success. Thank you.